Deputy Chief Minister Snyabhalang Dhar visited Bambthong village yesterday to rally support for NPP candidate Thombor Shiwat. Dhar emphasized that the one Nartiang constituency's growth was due to the people electing capable leaders, not just the MLA. He cautioned VPP supporters to carefully consider their statements regarding the area's progress. Dhar reminded the crowd that infrastructure like roads and halls were a result of his initiatives. Thombor Shiwat, a three-time MDC election winner, expressed confidence in securing victory. Later, Dhar attended a campaign for the reforming San Lamare in Nartiang, Waijir.
Point number one now. I want to candidate attend the whole to bullet the Hado Katam be carelessly non perhaps iconic suit your people about son. The election to go. Election to election books on Christian Motor books on Bambthong to like Ravi. The normal election to go give yourself the charity. The second son of the was lying for Piacodusi. Oglera Masan was what they can only do my master actually, but in my island. They got any except some lights no tea, the little one. The day now, Monday could say Peter, what they do in the money. Go jump to Sana little, the Takamani, and the Chakra, you have not been going to the money.